Hello everyone and welcome back to Evelyn and Peter. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do the treble crochet, also sometimes known as the triple crochet. And this stitch is what I use in my latest design, the Autumn Belle sweater. So I just want to give you a quick rundown on how I did that. So I just have a couple rows of double crochet stitches, and now I'm going to show you guys how to do the treble crochet. So begin by chaining 3. Sometimes people chain 4, but I prefer to do a chain 3. And we're going to work our first stitch into that very first stitch below. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into that first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Now you have 3, and then yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, and pull through the final 2 loops on your hook. And that's 1 treble crochet made, and now I'll show you guys again. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through the final 2. Here it is one more time, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops. That's all there is to it. It's a really fun and easy stitch. Stay tuned for my next video where I show you how to decrease.